In this video, we will show you the scientific data on which is the best way to take high doses of melatonin. This is possibly the only study ever done on the subject. This is not our opinion, but it is a published paper. While some experts on the subject have a clear stand on this, like Dr. Ettinger and Dr. Klinghardt, who both advise for transdermal delivery, others try the oral or sublingual route, which is the preferred way to get melatonin into your system. To obtain the study, we had to pay $14. Therefore, we cannot publish it in its entire. We respect the author's copyright claims. But we will put a link in the description below where you can get this study. What we can do here is to provide you with the results of this scientific paper. Again, this study is only about the best delivery routes of high doses of melatonin. The authors have worked with 200 mg melatonin. Let's dive right into it. The headline says, melatonin delivery, transdermal and transbuccal delivery in different vehicles. Well, this headline is not totally accurate, because there was also the delivery via oral paste examined, as you will see in a minute. The study starts off, saying, melatonin could be a candidate for drug treatment for several diseases because of its high antioxidant and its high anticarcinogenic activity and its important biological roles. Methods formulations were characterized in terms of rheology, drug release and permeation through human skin, as well as porcine buccal mucosa. Irradiation experiments were also performed. But they also examined the penetration of oral paste, OB. Oral paste is a paste that you put in your mouth or under your tongue. The study examines the various transmissions over several hours. That is why an oral paste has been chosen instead of powder. You cannot keep powder longer as a few minutes inside your mouth, but with an oral paste that is possible. But here comes the kicker. The lowest amount of melatonin released came from oral paste, OB, it states here. The next vehicle examined was buccal administration. What is that? Buccal administration involves placing a film-coated tablet between your gums and cheek, where it also dissolves and is slowly absorbed into your blood for several hours. This route showed as well high transmission of melatonin, similar to transdermal route. But then again, having a tablet between your cheek and gum for several hours at night is not what you want. Maybe you would swallow it, and there is the possibility that it gets stuck in your throat while you sleep. The study concludes. Potential systemic effects were obtained by skin and buccal route respectively. The lowest amount of melatonin released was from oral paste, OB, the study concludes. This study was mentioned by Dr. Klinghardt in his explanation of high dosages of melatonin. This is certainly a reason why Dr. Klinghardt recommends transdermal melatonin applications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you liked it.